everywhere there's nothing but disasters, and I mean there's no happiness at all in the world today. I would say you go to any country, anywhere, in any field, whether it's financial, whether it's political, so something has to be done, and that's why the charter is very, even if we manage to implement even a part of it, it will be a big step forward. Compassion comes out of love. If you don't have love, for your humans, there is no question of compassion. In my primary days, I could not afford, even to go to a primary school. So it was because of consideration of the school authorities that I could at least initiate my education. Otherwise, I would have been like illiterate. So that was a very early part of my life when I got, I would say, free education. So that was, I think, that was the biggest compassionate act. It's not just having pity on somebody, understanding people, showing concern for people. That's what every religion says, do as you want to be done by. Forget that you're a Muslim or a Christian or a Hindu or a Jew, whatever. There is something common between you and the person in front of you, and that is you're both humans. The best thing to, any type of discrimination or criticism, the best thing is to ignore it. If you let yourself be consumed by it, it's like hatred or envy, it's going to eat you up. If somebody slaps you, you don't slap back. You just say, may God forgive you. That can change people. If each one practices her own religion, which teaches nothing but good, it's automatically, it's manifested. Each one just practices religion, doesn't say I'm this and I'm that, I read this, I read that. No. Reading a religious books has no meaning if you do not follow what it says. I think every religion teaches you love and compassion. Every religion. You can't just point a finger at any one particular religion. Take any religion and it will be love, compassion, forgiveness, mercy. That's there in all the religions, but it's not being practiced. That's the main thing. Whatever way you can contribute to do something good which can make somebody happy. You meet somebody on the road, you give him a smile. You may be in trouble, you may be angry for some personal reasons. Why should that anger or any setbacks unnecessarily affect somebody you meet on the road? Everybody can play a part in promoting this charter of love and compassion.